Hey everyone, today we are going to guide you through the exciting world of SEO and its fascinating history. If you have ever wondered how to improve your website visibility and attract more organic traffic, you are in the right place. So, let's get started. How to understand SEO. First, let us start with the basics. How can you understand SEO and what it means for your online presence? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of enhancing the quality of your website's traffic. To master this, follow these steps. Number 1. Understand that search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing display and rank web pages based on relevance to search queries. Number 2. The goal of SEO is to achieve a top ranking on search engine results pages SERPs when people search for keywords related to your products or services. Number 3. Craft engaging, SEO-focused content that increases your chances of attracting targeted organic traffic. Let us move on to why SEO is so valuable. How to benefit from SEO. Next, let us explore how to reap the benefits of SEO for your business. It is essential for boosting visibility and reaching potential customers. Number 1. Improving your SEO helps you expand your online presence and engage with more potential customers. Number 2. Crafting content that is optimized for SEO increases your chances of attracting targeted organic traffic. Number 3. Did you know that search engines drive a significant portion of web traffic? For example, Google alone contributes to around 60% of all online traffic. Number 4. For businesses, this traffic can be incredibly valuable. The average advertiser spends up to $1 per click, making organic traffic incredibly valuable. Number 5. SEO can lead to ranking for hundreds or thousands of keywords. In some industries, like real estate and insurance, search engine traffic's value is even higher. How to debunk SEO myths. Now, let us bust a few myths about SEO. It is essential to know what is fact and what is fiction in the world of SEO. Number 1. Myth. SEO is all about optimizing for Google. Reality? SEO isn't exclusive to Google. Other platforms like Yahoo and Bing matter too. Number 2. Myth. You should pay for traffic to succeed in SEO. Reality? This is a black hat strategy and doesn't define SEO as a whole. How to explore the history of SEO. Now, let us journey through the history of SEO and understand how it evolved into the digital marketing powerhouse it is today. Number 1. In the early 90s, search engines like Excite, Wandex, and AliWeb laid the foundation for SEO. Number 2. In 1996, the initiation of Backrub marked the beginning of a significant shift. Number 3. Google's debut in 1997 revolutionized SEO and made it an essential part of digital marketing. So, now you know how to grasp the history of SEO. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to understand types of SEO and SEO techniques. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.